How to reverse a video on Capcut. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can reverse a video that you're editing on Capcut. So let's get into it. First of all, you can open up a new project that you're working on. For instance, I have this video right here. So I want to reverse the video. For that, all you need to do is just select it. And once you see that there is this green outline, that means the video is selected, and you will also get a lot of different options at the bottom. Now what you need to do is you're gonna swipe a little bit to find reverse. You can see we have a reverse option next to copy and freeze. So you will select reverse and it will start reversing your video. You can see it will just take a minute. And once the processing is done, your video will be reversed. You can see reverse applied. Now the video will be reversed. You can see if I play it, the video is actually playing from the end. You can see now it's a reverse video that we have. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.